How to fix Twitter likes problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter likes problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here just type Twitter and then click on it, and first click force stop and then storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now open permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now just go back and restart your phone and try again. But if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and check if there is an update here, and then just update your Twitter, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.